Hi, what is the value of x given that you have root of x equals open bracket x minus 1, close it. Then let's have it to be solution. From here, let's take the square root of both sides as root x all in parentheses to the power of 2 equals x minus 1 all in parentheses to the power of 2. So from here, this and this will cancel. We have x equals x minus 1 all in parentheses to the power of 2. So we can re-express this as x minus 1 all in brackets again multiplied by x minus 1. Then from here we have here to be x equals x times x will give us x square, x times minus 1 will give us minus x, minus 1 times x will give us minus x, minus times minus will give us plus, 1 times 1 will give us 1. So from here we have x to be equals x squared minus x will give us minus 2x plus 1. Then the next thing we can do is let's take this one to the other side. This implies we're going to have here to be x squared minus 2x minus x plus 1. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here we have x squared minus 2x minus x will give us minus 3x plus 1. Then we have everything to be equal 0. Then from here, we want to get the possible value of x. This is a quadratic, and we can use quadratic formula to get this. As x, we are going to have x to be equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 2a. So where we are going to have parameter a to be the coefficient of x squared, 1, and parameter b is the coefficient of x minus 3, while parameter c is equal to 1. So from here, we are going to have x equals minus, it's already minus a, so here will be 3, then positive or negative root of minus 3 all in parentheses to the power of 2, 4 times a is 1, then c is also 1, then all divided by 2 times 1. So we have our x to be equals 3, positive or negative. Because of this power 2, it will affect this negative, so here will be 9, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times 1 will be 4, then all divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals 3, positive or negative, root of 4, 9 minus 4 will give us 5 divided by 2. And we can have this as 3, positive or negative. When you press root 5, we are going to have it to be 2.24. So from here, we can have x to be equals, let's say x1, 3, when we take plus 2.24, or we have x2 equals 3 minus 2.24, all divided by 2, this divided by 2. So from here, we have this to be divided by 2. So we're going to have x1 to be equals 3 plus 2.24 will give us 5.24 divided by 2. Here will be x2 will be equals, this minus this will give us 0.76 divided by 2. And so therefore we have x1 to be equals, this divided by this will give us 2.62, while x2 will be equals 0.76 divided by 2 will give us 0.38. So therefore from here, let us verify which one will satisfy the problem given to us, that is, let's say check, we have root x to be equals x minus 1. So let's test for this. We have root of 2.62, then is it going to give us 2.62 minus 1. So when you press root of 2.62, we are going to have it to be 1.618. Then is it going to give us, this will give us 1.62. But when looking at this, we can approximate this to be 2. So we have 1.62. When you round this one to 1, add it to this one, make it to be 2. Then approximately equals 1.62 as this. So we can first of all consider this, that this is correct first. Let's also check for the second one. Where we have x equals 0.38. When we recall from here, then we are going to have root of 0.38, then is it going to be equals 0.38 minus 1. So when you press this root of 0.38, we're going to have this one to be 0.616. Then is it going to be equals, as 0.38 minus 1 will give us minus 0.62. Now we have this negative, it will affect this, because this one is positive and this one is negative. So because of that, we will realize that 0.616 does not equal to minus 0.62. So finally, we will say that we reject this. So, and we go along with x equals 2.62 as our final solution. Or you write it as x will be equals 3 plus with 5 divided by 2. Anyone you like. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.